Unlock unlimited unsecured credit with this legal loophole. Introduction to 15 U.S. Code 1681b. If you are looking to gain access to substantial amounts of unsecured credit, then understanding 15 U.S. Code 1681b is crucial. This particular code governs what is referred to as permissible purpose for pulling an individual's credit report. This law is especially important for individuals working on rebuilding their credit and attempting to qualify for credit without facing the damaging effects of hard inquiries. Footnote: this section introduces 15 U.S. Code 1681b and explains its relevance in granting access to unsecured credit by regulating hard inquiries. The impact of hard inquiries on credit. Hard inquiries, commonly incurred when applying for loans or credit cards, are a significant factor affecting your credit score. A hard inquiry typically results in a FICO score reduction of 3 to 8 points, especially for individuals with poorer credit. These inquiries can appear as negative marks on your credit report, often making it more difficult to qualify for new credit in the future. Understanding how these inquiries affect you is crucial for anyone working to improve their credit profile. Footnote: this section discusses how hard inquiries affect credit scores and why it is essential to minimize them during the credit rebuilding process. Freezing your credit reports. To effectively manage hard inquiries, it is crucial to freeze your credit with the 3 major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, along with the lesser-known phantom bureaus, such as CoreLogic and Innovis. Freezing your credit prevents new inquiries from being added to your report, which can significantly reduce the negative impact of multiple applications. By freezing your credit, you also ensure that your personal information remains secure from identity theft. Footnote: this section explains the importance of freezing your credit reports to prevent new hard inquiries and to safeguard against identity theft. Disputing unwanted hard inquiries. Once your credit is frozen, you can begin disputing hard inquiries that did not result in the opening of a new account. Using 15 U.S. Code 1681b, which mandates that creditors provide proof of a legitimate business relationship before pulling your credit, you can dispute inquiries that you do not recognize. This process can be initiated with all 3 major credit bureaus, but it is important to understand that while Experian often removes these inquiries quickly, Equifax and TransUnion may require additional follow-up with the creditor directly. Footnote: this section provides guidance on disputing hard inquiries that did not result in an account opening, using 15 U.S. Code 1681b as a legal basis. Using the dispute process to improve credit. After disputing the hard inquiries, it is crucial to understand that the removal of these entries can provide a significant boost to your FICO score, potentially adding up to 80 points, depending on your credit profile. This makes it easier to qualify for new credit cards, loans, and better rates. Moreover, minimizing hard inquiries can improve how you are perceived by lenders, particularly stricter banks like American Express, Chase, and Citi, which prefer to see fewer inquiries on your report. Footnote: this section highlights how disputing hard inquiries can boost your credit score and enhance your eligibility for new credit products. Choosing the right credit card issuers. The key to building a strong credit profile is to strategically select the right credit card issuers. For example, major institutions like American Express, Chase, and Citibank have stricter requirements regarding the number of recent hard inquiries. They typically prefer applicants with 0 to 3 hard inquiries in the past 6 months. These banks offer better credit limits and lower interest rates, making them ideal for individuals looking to establish a solid credit history. Footnote: this section explains how selecting the right credit card issuers, who focus on minimizing hard inquiries, can help individuals qualify for better credit terms. The importance of reducing hard inquiries. While minor credit card issuers may accept multiple inquiries, leading to higher interest rates and fees, major banks prefer applicants with minimal recent inquiries. By reducing your hard inquiries and maintaining a strong credit history, you position yourself for better credit opportunities with top-tier financial institutions. Ensuring that your credit report reflects a healthy balance of open accounts and few inquiries is essential for obtaining favorable credit terms in the future. Footnote: this section stresses the importance of reducing hard inquiries to increase your creditworthiness, especially with top-tier banks that offer favorable credit terms.